Navigating denture costs, Europe versus Turkey. Dental hygiene is crucial to maintaining good oral health, and for many, dental dentures are a vital element of the dental care. They are artificial teeth and gums, which are designed to replace the missing teeth. They are a great alternative for patients who lost their teeth because of the effects of age, disease, or even accidents. But having dentures may be costly, and costs may vary based upon where you live around the globe. In this clip, we'll look at the prices of dentures across Europe as well as Turkey, as well as explore the benefits that dentures offer in Turkey. Cost of dentures in Europe. In Europe, dentures in Europe, costs for dentures varies based upon the nation you're within. The cost for dentures in Europe is very high, and is particularly high in places that are like UK, Germany, and France. These countries have dentures costs that are quite high. Price of dentures could be anywhere between €800 to more than €2,000. Dentures' high price in Europe is due in large part to the expensive price of living and the labor in these nations. Dentists who practice in Europe are required to pay the overhead expenses of rental, utility costs, as well as the salaries of their staff. This can raise the cost of dental treatment. The majority of people living in Europe have a difficult time affording dental treatments, like dentures, because of the price. A few people even decide to not get dental services at all since they can't afford it. Cost of dentures in Turkey. In contrast, it is true that the price of dentures in Turkey is less costly when compared with Europe. Turkey has grown to become a sought-after location for dental tourism, where there are a lot of people from Europe and around the world traveling to Turkey to receive inexpensive dental services, such as dentures. In Turkey, there is a lower cost for dentures is significantly cheaper than Europe. The prices vary between €400 up to €800. This is because of the low price of living as well as labor costs in Turkey, and permits dentists to offer services with a lesser cost. Numerous dental centers within Turkey have high-quality, durable dentures constructed using modern technology and the most innovative materials. Turkish dentists are certified in accordance with international standards and have years of experience treating patients across the globe. Advantages of getting dentures in Turkey. There are numerous advantages to dental implants in Turkey. One of the major benefits is the price savings. When you get dentures in Turkey, there is the possibility of saving hundreds or even thousands of euros when compared with dentures from Europe. Another benefit to having dentures. One of the benefits of getting dentures in Turkey is the standard of dental care. Turkish dentists are extremely knowledgeable and proficient in the provision of dental services, and a number of dental clinics within Turkey make use of state-of-the-art equipment as well as techniques to ensure that patients receive the finest quality of care. Additionally, having dentures also in Turkey could be an ideal choice for patients in Europe or any other country nearby. A lot of dental clinics are located in Turkey offer packages which include hotel accommodation, airport transportation, along with other options for making the dental visit journey a breeze. The process of negotiating denture prices may be a challenge, particularly when you live in Europe, in which the price for dentures is very high. But obtaining dentures in Turkey could be an economical and affordable alternative for a lot of people. If you're considering purchasing dentures, it could be beneficial to look into the possibility of getting them in Turkey for the lower cost of treatment and superior dental care Turkish dentists are able to give. As the popularity of dentistry in Turkey growing, more individuals are choosing to seek dental treatments, like dentures, in this stunning and inexpensive nation. Therefore, if you're seeking dentures, and you are searching for the most cost-effective, high-quality, and affordable solution, think about getting them from Turkey. Your mouth and wallet will appreciate it.